Okay, so today I will be constructing parallel lines through a given point. I will be using 3 different geometric principles. My first one is constructing parallel lines. My second one will be constructing a transversal. And my third one will be duplicating angles. My tools I will be using today is a straight-edged ruler, will be my first one. And my second one will be a compass. So first off, I will take my straight-edged ruler and I will place it on my paper. The placement of my ruler, I will place farther down on my paper just so I leave myself enough room to make my parallel line. Make my first line. Once I have my first line, I'm going to go ahead and label it as line L. Once I have line L, I'm going to go ahead and make my first point, but I'm going to go ahead and make it up here and label it A. Once I have point A, this is where I'm going to want to make my parallel line. But before I do so, I need to make another point on line L. There really isn't a given spot that you need to put your point on your line. Once I have point A and point B, I'm going to once again take my straight-edged ruler and line it up perfectly with both of the points. This is going to end up being our transversal. But as you can see, I have already created an angle here with point B and the 2 lines that are intersecting. Once I have done so, I'm going to want to duplicate that angle with point A. So I'm going to take my compass and put the pointy end of my compass on point B, and I'm going to simply make an arc that goes through line L and my line here with point BA. I have my first arc. Then I'm going to duplicate this arc using my pointy end of my compass, placing it on point A and duplicating my arc. Once I have made both of my arcs, I'm going to take my compass, take the pointy end, place it on my arc that meets my line, and I'm going to measure and make another point. Duplicate that with my arc up here, put the pointy end there. I have created another point. I then will take my straight-edged ruler, line it up perfectly with point A and my new point, and make another line, which will be parallel to line L. Once I have both my parallel lines, you can also see that I will also have congruent angles. So therefore, I have made parallel lines through a given point.